Hi, I'm here to talk to you about one of the major highlights of the Kia EV9, the Triple Panorama Display. As you can see, the screens extend right across from behind the steering wheel through to the centre of the vehicle, mirroring the long minimalist lines of the dashboard. It features a 12.3-inch supervision cluster, a 12.3-inch navigation touchscreen, and an additional 5-inch touch display. Not only does this combination create a powerful visual statement, but it also gives convenient access to an intuitive combination of important features such as navigation, infotainment, telematics, and climate control. As you can see, Kia has reduced the amount of physical buttons, replacing them with integrated haptic sensors to give the car a cleaner look that's more in line with its sleek design, so that the car feels less like a traditional space and more like a lounge, with the added bonus of ambient lighting, the integrated biometric authentication, and the digital display mirrors. A perfect example of how Kia unites great design with state-of-the-art technology for an inspired drive. For more information, go to kia.com.
Kia, movement that inspires.